In a world racing towards progress, knowledge alone cannot shape the future. Character must lead the way. At Tapovan Vidya Vihar, education is not just about success, it is about purpose. Our focus is not only religious values, but good quality academics with best experienced teachers with practical, experiential and purposeful learning. Here, discipline builds inner strength and focus. Resilience builds courage and Maitri teaches harmony. Bhakti nurtures humility and Shuddhi brings clarity of thoughts. Our classrooms shall go beyond textbooks. They are the space where minds awaken, values strengthen, and leaders are born. We shall raise daughters who will not only shine but lead as future IAS, IPS officers, political leaders, decision makers, women of authority who serves society, community, and nation with courage and conscience. Because when we protect Dharma, truth survives. When we protect Sanskriti, identity lives. And when we shape strong daughters, Rashtra Raksha begins. જ્યાં દીકરી ફક્ત સપનું નથી દેખતી, પણ સંકલ્પ અને સંસ્કાર સાથે રાષ્ટ્રના ભવિષ્યને ઘડે છે. આ છે તપોવન વિદ્યા વિહાર. એડમિશન્સ આર ઓપન.